Alright, quick one today. If you want to stop hacks without spending a dime, I've got 5 free tools that make a massive difference. Think of this as your 5-minute security upgrade you can do tonight. Number 1. Bitwarden. It's a free open-source password manager. Works on your phone, works on your laptop, works in your browser. Weak or reused passwords are how accounts get popped. Bitwarden generates long, unique passwords. Autofills so you don't have to remember anything. Import old passwords. Set a strong master passphrase. Enable 2-step login for Bitwarden. If you do nothing else on this list, do this. Number 2. uBlock Origin. Not an ad blocker, an everything blocker. It strips out malicious ads, removes trackers, blocks many drive-by scripts and fingerprinting. Add it to your browser. Keep default filter lists on. Pages will load faster and attack surface drops. Bonus. Block large media for slow connections. Number 3. An authenticator app. Microsoft Authenticator. Google Authenticator. Text codes can be hijacked. App-based codes are much harder to intercept. Turn it on for your email. Turn it on for cloud storage. Turn it on for social media. Turn it on for anything tied to money. Pro tip: print or securely store backup codes when you enable it. If your phone dies, those codes save you. Number 4. Proton VPN free plan. Not all VPNs are equal. Use on public Wi-Fi, airports. Use on public Wi-Fi, cafes. Use on public Wi-Fi, hotels. Proton's free tier is solid with no sneaky data caps. Turn it on for unknown networks, then turn it off at home for speed. Number 5. Have I been pawned? It's not an app, it's a reality check. Type your email into the site. See if it's shown up in a breach. Subscribe for alerts. If you're in a breach, change that password immediately. Don't reuse the breached password anywhere. Pair this with Bitwarden, and you've shut down an easy attack vector. Quick bonus settings pass. Update everything. Use your device's built-in security, Windows Security or Mac OS Gatekeeper. Lock screen timeout now. Monsan Infanen. 5 minutes. Phishing sanity check. So de bun. If a link wants you to log in, open a new tab and go directly to the site. Here's how I'd stack the upgrades if you've got import and change email and bank passwords to unique monsters. Add uBlock Origin to your browser. Turn on app-based 2FA for email and one social account. Sign up for HIVP breach alerts. Save Proton VPN for your next coffee shop session. Security isn't about being perfect, it's about stacking small wins that make you a harder target. These 5 are free, private, and proven. You don't need to be a cybersecurity pro to use them. You just need to start. If this helped, hit like so more people lock down their accounts. Drop your favorite free tools in the comments. I'll pin the best editions. Stay safe out there.